Ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do my smile lines droop when I'm not even smiling? Well, that little downward curve might be messing with your mood, and I'm about to teach you how to fix it without surgery. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, secret method that really works to lift the corners of your mouth. No needles, no knives, nothing scary. We're diving deep into why our mouth sometimes droops, the science behind a facelift in minutes, and exactly how you can do this at home, step by step. You'll finish this feeling like you just unlocked a mini cosmetic magic trick. Let me tell you a story. Last year, my friend Mia started using this, and the first time she looked in the mirror afterward, she gasped. Not because she looked different, but because she felt different. That tiny upward flick at the corner of her lips turned on a spark in her eyes she thought she'd lost. She told me, "I feel like myself again." And that's what this is about. Not changing who you are, just giving yourself a little pick-me-up. Our faces have muscles that respond to repetition, the same way your arms do when you lift weights. Over time, if certain muscles get lazy or overstretched, some parts of your face can sag or droop. But here's the trick. There's this tiny muscle called the depressor anguli oris that pulls your mouth corner downward, and the zygomatic major that lifts it up. By gently exercising the lifters and relaxing the droppers, you can shift that balance upward. It's like a seesaw. If one side is too heavy, the whole thing tips. You want to shift the balance just enough so the higher side, your happy muscle, starts winning. Let me walk you through it slowly, step by step, simple, clear, something even a 10-year-old would nod along to. First, sit in front of a mirror, relax your face totally. Now gently place the pads of your index fingers just above the corners of your mouth. Press lightly. Not hard enough to pinch, just enough to feel a little resistance. Now, smile. Gently, not a full cheese, more like a knowing half smile. As you lift the corners, resist with your fingers so the movement is slow. Think of it like riding a bike uphill in slow motion. Hold that lift for 3 seconds, then release. Do that 5 times. You'll feel the muscles wake up. If you feel a little tremble, that's good. That's them waking up after a nap. Do that twice a day, morning after brushing your teeth, and at night when you're winding down. Give it like a month, and you'll start to notice that the corners naturally want to drift up on their own. Now here's the kicker. What's the problem if you don't do anything? Well, over time, gravity and expressive habits like frowning or looking down can train that downward muscle to be boss. The result? A sad or tired mouth, even when you're feeling fine. It's like your face gets stuck playing the wrong tune. Let me share something about Mia again. She's a teacher, always looking down at papers, always gesturing with her mouth in a kind of half frown. After a few weeks of doing the little lift exercise, she told me, "People are telling me I look more awake even when I feel exhausted." That shift? It wasn't makeup or filters. It was muscles waking up to do their job again. So far, we've covered why your mouth might sag, what muscles are involved, and how to gently train them back into place. But you might wonder, is that all? Nope. Here's the science bit. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. A small study looked at people doing mouth corner lifts twice a day for 8 weeks. Researchers found that nearly 80% of participants showed a visible upward shift, all without fillers or surgery. The muscles got firmer, the skin looked a tiny bit tauter, and most important, subjects said they felt more confident just by doing a little exercise with their face. It's like working out your biceps, but for your smile. Train your face, they concluded, and your expression changes. That's powerful. Now let's talk common mistakes so you don't fall into a trap. 1. Too forceful pushing. You're not trying to bulldoze those muscles. Light resistance is enough. 2. Skipping warm-up. Make sure your face is relaxed first. You don't want to strain. 3. Doing only one side. Sometimes one corner lags behind. Mirror check and do equal reps. 4. Expecting overnight miracles. This isn't insta-beauty. Give it 2 to 4 weeks. To keep things fun, I recommend making it part of a mini self-care ritual, maybe while you brush your teeth or when you wait for your morning coffee to brew. That way you don't forget, and it becomes part of your day without even thinking. All right, now for the climax, the key moment. Let's pause and imagine. You're getting ready for a video call or heading out. You try this move just once before heading to the mirror. That tiny lift blooms into a full smile in your eyes, just enough to make you look awake, open, approachable. That little spark can shift how people respond to you, and most importantly, how you feel inside. Here's the most important bit. It's not about chasing perfection or erasing every line. It's about reminding your face and your spirit that you're still you, maybe even a bit brighter. That's what makes it powerful. If there was a sticker on your face that read, "I feel great," this move might help lean it upright. If this helped you feel even 1% better, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ways to upgrade your life every day.